Hey everyone, so I created this turquoise eye makeup look, and if you want to know how to do this, then keep on. And then I'm blending on, and until I'm satisfied, I'll keep on blending. Then I'm gonna dampen my brush and pack on the turquoise eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. And similarly on the other eye. So the eyeliner part has been done off camera, but I'll show you a little bit correction part I am doing in front of you guys. And I'm applying the eyeliner above eyelid as well as on the lower eyelid as well, and then I'm gonna blend it with the turquoise eyeshadow on the lower eyelid. Now for the spotlight effect, I'm using the pearly silvery shade and applying it on my inner corners, and also to create a halo effect on the center of my eyelid. And then I'll be correcting some of the flaws. I just did some mistake applying the eyeliner. So you have to coat your lashes really properly, and then before it dries, apply your fibers. And then seal them again onto the place. And then going on with the second coat, you can basically apply n number of coats. Okay. Applying it on my T-zone and then blending outwards. As concealer, foundation and compact in one, I'll dab it on my face using my finger. It's really smooth, very almost like a primer finish. You have to blend it outwards because your natural hair growth is like that. Applying it towards the template. Basically, I just set the concealer with this powder. is the final look, and if you liked the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit Femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.